Oh, hello everybody. My name is Sandy. Today I'm checking out this scarf. And this scarf belongs to the winter day. Daddy. And this scarf also for a windy and a cold day. And today I am really bored. What should I do right now? Maybe I should color something. Hello everybody, and like that to subscribe. Oh, these ponies. Come on. And I need a ruler. Now I'm gonna color her. And have you seen my pile before? I have many, and I have my necklace. I'm gonna cover it away. And oh, now we can make Princess Luna in here. Oh, I can see my brush. Oh, a food. So I'm gonna look at here and okay. Let's assign this right here. Oh. Hey, Pinkie Pie, could you check for me? You're missing over here and over here. Guys, now we're gonna add the really dark black. Oh, here's the black. Here. And this. Ooh, I can see the crown. Ooh, the crown looks black, isn't it? What else is black? Oh, I keep black. Likes me. So what to say? Ooh, that's purple. Oh, the really dark blue. How can I draw lots of that? I will use this blue. Oh, it's a little bit too dark. Oh, it's a really dark one. Ooh, it's part of the feet. Now what do you mean? Oh, the black and the dots and the moon shape, and I had to be really careful, guys. Wait. Oh, her. This is a bit purple, so a bit purple, a bit of purple, and yeah. Oh, wait a minute, all of the birds, little wings, and that's me. How did I forget it? and around her eye. Her ears a bit light. Ooh, just like the similar one. And then sin and paint her face a bit little black. Oh, her horn is also this color. Oh, we didn't draw her first. I'm not as good as the line, though. Oh, with I draw out of the line. Now that's all of her color. Now I could use the purple. Now let's take a bit of purple. Oh, lots of purple over here. Now I can take this bit of lipstick. This color looks like her eye. And now a touch of blue. So besides, now I'm going to put some blue on her hair and a bit of purple. Oh, that's the wrong way. Nearly there, nearly there. Oh, right, a bit of black. Oh, this one, I didn't look so hard. That's okay. There we go. Now a bit of black to her necklace. Oh, there we go. And guys, now look at Princess Luna. She's done. Look at closer look. Here. Wow. And that was a ponies. Come on and check this. Hello guys, my name is Applejack. Today I like the pictures today. I'm gonna go.
Magic.
Thank you, Daddy. Delicious water, guys. The mix. And guys, this is the end of the video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. And you have to spell my name after you go. Let's spell the name Sandy right now. S-A-N-D-Y. Sandy. And we'll see you next time. But there's one thing to tell you right now. In the back of the Luna picture is Rainbow Dash. She's here, and she's like sitting down. Well, I bet I'll color it in the next morning because I had to go to sleep when the bread.